To find negative pi over 3 on the polar coordinate plane, make yourself familiar first with where the pi over 3 is at, the positive version. And we can add a couple more spokes in here to make it come out in terms of twelfths, 1/12 pi increments. And you would do the same thing back in this direction. Now pi over 3 goes up 1, 2, 3, 4 spokes in the positive direction. But if you want to go back negative pi over 3, then you'll count back 1, 2, 3, 4, and this would be negative pi over 3. That pertains to 5 pi over 3. Now remember, what is another way that you express 0? 2 pi. So if I take 1/3 away from 2, that's the same as 5/3, because if I had 6/3, that's 2 pi. And if I take 1/3 away from that, that leaves me at 5/3 pi.